Welcome back sa Book Gaming Channel. Sa Book Gaming right now daw, yung crypto market natin is nasa buy low, sell high season. So ibig sabihin, mura yung cryptocurrency at pwede tayong kumita in the future. Pero yung tanong, Book Gaming, anong crypto ba yung pwede namin pasukin, bilhin at this very moment? Don't worry guys, I got you covered. So pag-uusapan natin itong si AB cryptocurrency under ng AB daw. Guys, itong AB cryptocurrency na to, available to sa almost lahat ng exchange na. Okay, pero bago kayo bumili, huwag kayong mag-alala. Step by step guide yung gagawin natin. Ano ba si AB daw? Ano ba yung advantage ng AB token? Ano ba yung AB Charity Foundation? For this episode, iisa-isahin natin yan. Book Gaming, yung 1K ko ba na puhunan sa AB, pwede ba maging 10,000 yan? Pwede ba maging 20,000 yan in the near future? Huwag kayong mag-alala, huwag kayong mag-i-skip kasi pag nag-skip kayo, baka ma-miss out nyo yung strategy na gagamitin natin para kay AB token. So Book Gaming, huwag mo na patagalin yan. Let's check this overview. So guys, ito yung main website para dito kay AB. By the way nga pala, siguro yung iba sa inyo, no, hindi pa kayo familiar dito kay AB. Si AB nga pala, AB is the next generation decentralized blockchain ecosystem that bridges the digital economy and the real world assets. By the way guys, originating from the Newton project back 2018, AB rebranded in 2025 and now focus on RWA tokenization, DAO governance, cross-chain interoperability, and multi-asset integration. So, before we dive in dito kay AB, double-check muna natin yung mission and vision ni AB. Guys, ang vision naman ni AB right now, become a bridge between blockchain technology, innovation, and social good, providing value and trust, support for global users, institution, promote the empowerment of social welfare throughout blockchain technology, enhancing transparency and trust. Yun yung isa sa mga vision niya, and ang mission naman ni AB at this very moment, technological capabilities, utilize blockchain, smart contract, and AI technology to optimize charitable process and improve fund utilization efficiency. Guys, kasi right now, etong si AB, marami silang charity, marami silang foundation. So makikita nyo nga dito sa lahat, no? AB Charity Foundation, meron silang iba't ibang foundation na papakita ko sa inyo later on. Siguro before natin pakita yung mga foundation ni AB, gusto ko munang pakita sa inyo guys, etong Get AB. For example, gusto na natin magkaroon ng AB cryptocurrency. Guys, dito makikita nyo na kagad kung ilan na yung mga na-destroyed na bird na AB, AB total amount, circulating supply nakalagay na dito, 54 billion AB something, price of the day, updated yan, stake total amount, release on the day nakalagay na rin. Guys, si AB as mentioned kanina, listed siya sa several exchange na. Listed na siya sa BitGet, HTX, MX or MEX, Gate.io, BingX, Bitmart, DigiFinex, LBank, Hatcoin, UX, Biconomy, Week, or WEX rather, and 4E. So again, for example, meron silang event right now sa BitGet. Ito guys, I highly suggest na mag-participate kayo sa event nila dito sa BitGet, or ito tinatawag nilang BitGet AB Carnival. So guys, right now makikita nyo yung full details nitong event nila para sa BitGet. Don't worry, yung link ng event nito, ng carnival na to, ilalagay ko lahat sa description. So pabasa na lang para yung full details, wala kayong ma-miss out kasi mahaba yung information nitong BitGet Carnival na to. Available din naman yan sa X account nila. Later on, papakita ko sa inyo. So guys, pag-usapan din natin yung mga charity foundation para dito kay AB. So makikita natin guys, sa The Manila Times, okay, na-post yung AB Charity Foundation dito sa Manila Times. Nakalagay dito yung pinaka-headline nila, no? Doubling April 12, 2025, no? AB Charity Foundation has officially launched its global operation and unveiled its newly upgraded website at www.ab.org, making the beginning of a public interest initiative built on institutional credibility and advanced blockchain technology. Also guys, I just want to highlight, no, ito natitito na rin to sa Manila Times, no, ito nakalagay guys, At the heart of the foundation mission lies a commitment to public good, advanced global effort in education, healthcare, environmental protection, and humanitarian aid. The foundation aims to build variable model of cooperative goodwill powered by transparent governance and next-generation technology. As its founder emphasized, it is not a specific technology that changed the world, but the shared consensus around trustworthy institution and global cooperation. Ito guys, gusto ko rin i-highlight ito ha. AB Charity Foundation is technically supported by ABDAO, which provide the blockchain infrastructure underpinning the foundation operation through smart contract automation. 15% to 30% of the gas fee from every transaction on the AB public chain are directed into a dedicated charity pool. This mechanism enable a new operation model for charitable founding, combining on-chain, fundraising, automated distribution, full chain auditability, and third-party compliance assurance. Guys, ganun katindi etong si ABDAO. So, speaking of ganun katindi yan, Buhok Gaming, check naman natin yung technical side ni AB Blockchain, AB Cryptocurrency, yung kanilang architecture nandito. Meron silang slide dito, infographics na pwede natin gamitin. Yung AB wallet nila manage 15 to 30% of gas fee allocated to charitable funds na banggit natin kanina. Earn AB, earn incentive rewards through participation in the AB ecosystem, AB Explorer, Blockchain Explorer, and Data Analytic Platform. By the way, AB Explorer already live at this very moment. Pero later on, we will tackle that, alright? Technical features for this one, no? Cross-chain interoperability. AB's flexible architecture enables interaction with major public chain like Bitcoin and Ethereum, supporting cross-chain operation for assets such BTC or even Doge token. So ayan ang kagandahan pag naka-cross-chain ang isang platform. High scalability, built with advanced architecture to support infinite expansion and cross-chain compatibility, catering to the diverse future application. High throughput, large block structure enable high TPS and large-scale transaction processing. For me, advanced technology yan, galing lang din kay AB. Ultra-fast experience, 1-second block generation and instant confirmation ensure highly efficient on-chain interaction. Siyempre, ang kagandahan pa niyan guys, ito yung gusto kong i-highlight, low cost. Yes, significantly reduce the entry barrier for both developers and users. Big advantage yan as long na low cost yung gagamitin natin. Guys, ito nga pala yung infographics para sa AB, architecture, and governance. So makikita natin, upper left, AB sidechain, payment, finance, gaming, etc. And then dito yung blockchain niya, Ethereum, Tron, Binance, Smart Chain, Solana, etc. Because we're expecting cross-chain for this one, alright? Cryptographic asset, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, etc. So yung magaganda, matataas na klaseng cryptocurrency, RWA, gold fiat currency, financial asset, commodities, real estate, intellectual property, etc. And then yung technology na in-expect natin dito kay AB, we are expecting na magkakaroon din ng mga play to earn niya. So sa protocols niya, makikita nyo guys yung DeFi niya, magkakaroon niya ng token swap, liquidity mining, tsaka decentralized trust. Sa NFT naman, syempre, first step, NFT minting, and then syempre magkakaroon yan ng NFT trading. Yung Metaverse, we're expecting na interactive asset, open economic system, probability and scalability, multi-users, concurrent online, yung DAO naman niya, DID proposal or DID proposal, voting execution. So kung makikita nyo naman yung infrastructure and key technology niya, AB Core, AB Sidechain, AB VM, AB Explorer, tsaka AB Bridge, lahat yan may data na rito. Nasa main website na nila. Ito nga pala, no, siguro kanina gusto kong paabanggitin yung AB Explorer nila. Right now guys, AB Explorer is already live. No? So live na, itong AB Explorer, pwede nyo nang i-double check, i-navigate, double check niya. For example, gusto nyo makita yung mga nangyayari na right now, yung mga cryptocurrency na active right now, makikita nyo na right now dito sa mismong blockchain or Explorer para kay AB available na siya. Okay, pero ito guys, kanina nakita natin merong wallet, no? Pakita ko lang yung AB wallet. But yung AB wallet, coming soon pa lang siya. Pero again, big advantage yan kahit coming soon. Makikita natin dito na secure, simple, decentralized na yung wallet na ina-expect natin para kay AB. Again, multi-chain, multi-wallet, multi-account yung gagamitin natin, so wala tayong magiging problema in terms of transaction dito. Napakababa lang ng gas fee for this one. And then syempre cross-chain, bridge na yan. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge token, Binance token, wala tayong magiging concern pag ginamit natin yung wallet ni AB at this very moment. At the same time, gusto ko rin i-highlight yung keyless nila, 100% self-custodial MPC, no recovery phrase or private key, zero risk or PEP, disaster recovery, and no single point of failure. So mas safe kung gagamitin natin. Gasless, leverage cutting edge blockchain tech we aim at for a true gas-free experience. So that's a good thing. Stablecoin exchange offering seamless pound transfer with deposit and withdrawal services, UCard, and stablecoins. Want to buy? Again guys, powered by AI to. So hindi na tayo mahihirapan kung anong cryptocurrency yung hot and anong cryptocurrency yung not. So for me, big advantage pag naka-AI technology tayo. And also nga pala guys, gusto ko rin pakita, I just want to highlight this, since big project tong si AB Charity Foundation. Of course, fully doction team yan, nagkakandak sila ng mga AMA, nandito lahat yung core team niya. So in terms of core team, in terms of company para kay AB, nakakasiguro tayo dyan. Talagang kumbaga ako as an investor, okay, as a crypto holder, kung bibili ako ng crypto, syempre dun ako sa sigurado, dun ako sa talagang big project. Speaking of cryptocurrency, the double check natin yung token niya. Kunwari bibili tayo ng token, pinakita ko kanina guys yung GetAB. Okay, yung mga available nila, ayun nga, may mga event pa sila sa BitGet, sa MEX, no? May mga iba't ibang event sila. For example, sa MEX, bibili ako ng AB, kiklik ko lang tong spot, then click natin tong spot trading, and then dito search nyo na lang yung AB. In my end, na click ko na tong AB USDT. Ano yung mukha ko? Para makita nyo lang. And guys, gusto ko lang i-highlight yung utilization ni AB at so guys, ayan, nakikita natin yung price ni AB at this very moment. By the way guys, itong AB na to, may token utility to. Ilalagay ko na lang dyan, nakikita nyo yan. Power Smart Contract Deployment, Enable DAO Voting and Governance, Facilities, Cross-Chain Liquidity, Anchors Value for Tokenized Real-World Asset, Reward Staking, and Future Leading Mechanism. So right now, ito yung gagawin ko naman para magkaroon tayo ng income dito sa AB. So ito yung technique na gagawin natin. Buksan lang natin yung may wagang token folder natin. So guys, ito yung current price ni AB. 0.012. Tama ba? 0.012. So for example, Book Gaming, bibili ka ng $10 lang. Okay? For example lang, $10. Yan, $10, 835 na AB yung makukuha natin. So lagay lang natin 835. So that's $10. So ibig sabihin 570 sa PHP natin, So 00 lang natin ito. Yan. So right now, ito yung entry natin, 0.012. $10 yung ginamit natin, 835 na AB token yung makukuha natin. So ako guys, since 0.012 lang to, ang gagawin ko dyan, 0.01 lang. Okay, pag nag 0. or 0.1 na lang natin. Hindi, tama, 0.1 lang. Pag nag 0.1 kasi yung market guys, meron akong 835 na AB right now. Hold ko lang yan. Yes, from $10 magiging $84 na yung AB token ko. E nakita naman natin yung foundation, yung core ni AB guys, big project. Okay, kumbaga hindi ito, hindi mawawala to kasi nga mas malaki pa to sa mas malaki. Okay, so ako mismo excited ako dito kay AB. Just imagine guys $835, $10 lang yung puhunan ko. Wala pang 1,000 yan. Kikita na ako dito. Hihintayin ko lang, mag-hold lang ako. Okay? Again, as mentioned kanina sa video natin, anong season tayo sa cryptocurrency? Nasa season tayo ng buy low, sell high. So pwede tayong mamili ng mga murang cryptocurrency ngayon. Ang tanong na lang talaga, anong cryptocurrency yung trip mo? Just imagine guys from 0.012, malapit-lapit sa katotohanan. Konti lang yung inintay ko. Maglilip lang ako ng 0.1, 835 na. Pero yan guys, ano ako yan? kumbaga metikuloso yung gagawin kong diskarte niyan. Diskarte na yan, hindi ako magiging greedy. Pero ang tunay na in-expect namin price talaga dyan, 0.6. So pag naging 0.6 yan, yes, yung $10 ko magiging 501 US dollars. So malaki-laki. Pero 0.1, goods na ako doon, all goods na ako, pwede na akong umexit niya kasi profit na rin kagad ako. Guys, and syempre guys, for more detail, punta kayo dito muna sa global community. Dito sa global community, makikita natin lahat ng social platform ni EB. For example, dito sa X nila, no? So for example, may Filipino yan, may English. So dito muna ako sa English X account nila. Alam ko na kapag follow na ako dito, and I highly suggest na mag-follow din kayo dito sa kanilang X account. Okay, so right now 200,000 followers na yung X account nila. At the same time, dito nyo makikita yung iba't ibang for AB. So ito yung kaninang video natin, no, sa BitGet, yung carnival nila. Again guys, jumoin kayo sa BitGet event nila. Napakaganda ng reward pool ng event na to. Okay, para sa inyo, kung wala pa naman kayong pantalpak, take advantage yung event nito para sa BitGet nila. Okay, at the same time, hindi lang yan guys. Pwede pa kayo mag-join sa Telegram nila. Pili lang kayo. For example, Telegram ako sa Philippines. Filipino channel yung pipiliin natin. Click nyo lang yung Philippine channel. And then, pwede rin kayo dun sa international. Depende sa trip nyo guys. So, makikita nyo rito right now yung ABP Philippine channel nila, 69,739 member na. So, mag-join na rin kayo. So, lahat ng channel nila, nandito na, make sure na mag-join kayo sa social media platform nila. Napaka-basic na lang guys, napakadali na lang. Nung gagawin nyo, hindi na kayo mahihirapan. And of course, definitely magkakaroon tayo ng mga next update natin para dito kay AB. Alright, and guys, always remember, Buhok Gaming loves you all. See you again in my next video. Salamat.